Hi, welcome back. Not doing a unboxing per se, but I am going to open it up for the first time of the new Kibler Fowler. And so I'm going to be taking a look at it for the first time. I have taken the screws out of the box, but the bands are still on. So we're going to cut the bands. There's one. This is a throwing tomahawk, so it's not super sharp. And it's kind of two, maybe out of frame, slightly. Okay, I went for effect rather than practicality. So, there we go. It's off. All right, band's off. Throw those in the trash instead of on the floor, dummy. Trash. Trash. Drum roll. Woohoo, there it is. Not quite sure. It does not appear that the barrel needs to be carded or draw filed, partially because it's already got a front bead installed. Now, this being a smooth bore, there's no sights to install, but it's a smooth bore 62 caliber, aka 20 gauge. Don't want to, I guess, I'm going to move the camera, let you guys see it, and see that I haven't taken anything out. Un momento. Okay. I'm developing a French persona, yet I just said in Spanish, un momento. I should have said un monite, s'il vous plaît. Here we have this beautiful smooth bore octagon to round to smaller round smooth bore barrel with a front sight / bead installed. No rear sight. It is a smooth bore. There's the smooth bore. Okay, I'm going to put it back. Trying to get my hands over it too bad. Here's the wooden walnut stock. Taped up, I think. I'm going to, I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. Anyway, I want to jack this up. Got a Kibler decal, which will go on the bandsaw. Don't know if you can see my other stickers on the bandsaw. Here's the hardware, nicely attached. I will say this, they do a superb job packaging these things. So anyway, the good thing about this kit and Kibler in general is I could probably take this out of the box just as it is, assemble it, and shoot it. His machining techniques and properties are phenomenal. It's really just it's there for you to do what you want with it to make it yours, but by and large, it is ready to go. Rather than me fumbling around cutting stuff out, come back, we're going to do that. Okay, got the camera moved back around. Probably the best way to show this, I've got it all kind of cut loose so I can take stuff out. First thing that came out, as I showed, was this beautiful octagon to round to smaller round barrel. I believe these are rice barrels, I'm not 100% sure. Underlugs are already installed. A front bead is the only thing that's installed. No rear sight because it has no rear sight. So we're going to put that right back in there. Cutting out other parts. bell ramrod. Call it a bell. Don't know if that's correct, but it is a larger, it goes to smaller, and the only thing that it has is I believe a tip on this end, and that's the only thing that goes in there. There's not fixtures on both ends. Okay, I went with the walnut stock in keeping with what a traditional Fowler would have probably been stocked in. It comes, as I say, the machining on this is phenomenal. The CNC work is phenomenal. It's got the cast butt plate already installed. A little bit different than other ones. It's got one screw here and a pin, a metal pin on the top holding it down. It is already flush. Probably just some final sanding to get it down where it needs to be. It does have a little bit of decorative carving done on it. It's got the cast trigger guard already installed and pinned. There is a place for a thumb piece here, which I'll probably find it in the box of hardware, and it's held on with a screw that, I don't know if it's a wood screw or not. Anyway, probably have some cleanup to do on it. We'll see in just a minute. But a American walnut stock, and there will be some things I do finish-wise to make it look like English walnut, which is what it should be. Okay, so I'm going to put that right back where I got it. Final thing, the box of hardware. Of course, the Kibler lock, which I believe is a standard round face lock, much like the Woods Runner. Extra pins for pinning, and then the hardware trigger, end cap, side plate. On my Wood Runner, I had my name engraved on the side plate. Probably do that again, or I may just have my initials put on the thumb piece. I'm not sure. The thumb piece is in there, right here. So I don't want to open that up. It's pretty standard. But anyway, I bragged about the weather in one of my last videos, that we had our first frost warnings / freeze. It decided it wasn't ready for summer to be over. We jumped back into the 90s again after that. It was beautiful yesterday, 75 high. Today, a little warmer, but still not bad. As you can tell, there's no fans running in my shop. So it's tolerable. It's probably getting close to 80 degrees outside. So anyway, that is the new English smoothbore 62 caliber 20 gauge Fowler. I will start work on this, but I'm going to continue on with the Ferdinandina Powder Horn story, as we're going to talk about not so much the construction, we're kind of through that. We're going to talk about the research I did, the story behind it, controversy as well, if you might, and not about the powder horn, but about Ferdinandina in general. So come back, and I've got another video on my mind that I'm filming this on Sunday, the 27th of October. Probably get it out tonight. We're slightly over a week away from the election, and there's some thoughts that I'll probably share on that. So anyway, appreciate you, and I don't have a huge audience, but the audience I do have, I feel like I need to say a few things. So come back. We'll see you later. Thank you.